So ayan, so what's up? It's been a long time. So man behind the lens here, and ang tagal nating nawala sa mundo ng vlogging. So ngayon, as you can see, nandito tayo sa Libro Espresso na madalas natin tinatambayan. Kalalabas lang natin for the tambay. So may event tayo na pupuntahan today, and I am very excited to attend to that event. Sobrang tagal kong hinintay yung event na to. So halika guys, samahan niyo ako. So, ladies and gentlemen, kadadating lang natin dito sa venue ng event. And yung venue ng event is isa din sa mga coffee shops na tinatambayan ko, which is Hello Cafe. So, according din sa staff sa loob, hindi pa raw dumarating ang mga organizers ng event. So, thank you sa Brain Records PH na nag-initiate ng event na to na mangyari. So, we have to be patient and wait for a while. So, stay tuned!
A few moments later.
So, guys, ayan nga. So, nandito nga tayo dun sa Hello Cafe dito sa Tagaytay for the Disney and Marvel Trivia Night. So, nung malaman ko na dito gaganapin sa Hello Cafe yung event, talagang hindi ko pinalampas na makapag-register, and I am so grateful na first time kong makaka-attend sa event dito pa sa Hello Cafe. So, yun, naghihintay na lang kami na magsimula yung event na to. So, sa lahat ng mga Marvel fans dyan, as I record this video, I hope you enjoy the event kahit wala kayo or hindi ko kayo kasama sa event na to. So, maghihintay pa kami for a few moments before we start.
A few moments later.
So, yan guys. So, meron na akong whiteboard na pagsasagutan. So, kung makikita nyo, ang ipinangalan ko sa solo team ko is Marvel Snap, na reference dun sa latest Marvel game na nilalaro ko. So, yun, nakahawak na ako. So, mas lalo ako na-excite na makipagsabayan sa Disney Marvel Trivia Night na to. So, guys, wish me luck.
So, who are the first timers to attend a trivia night?
Me.
Everyone? Alright, sige. So, let us run through reminders and yung mga kailangan yung gawin para fun yung event natin tonight. So, first, kindly like Brain Records page in Facebook and Instagram, as well as follow Hello Cafe in Instagram and in their Facebook page.
Identify, just one minute to identify the name of the place.
Oh my God!
Yes.
Not
Marvel.
Okay, so let's start with question number 1. What is this?
Oh my God!
Alam niyo yan.
Alam niyo yan?
Ay,
Yes.
yes.
5.
5, 4, 3, 2, and boards up! We have Paradise Falls, Mount Alp, Adventure Falls, and no answer. Sige. So from what movie is this?
Up.
Up! And the correct answer is Paradise Falls. 1 point for Marvel Rivals.
Nanood to. Nanood to beforehand.
Sila. Okay, question number 2. Saan yan? Ayan.
Saan yan?
Saan yan? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and boards up!
I hope tama.
We have Tomorrowland, Zootopia, Sakar,
From Guardians of the Galaxy.
and no answer. And it's...
Oh my God!
1 point for Frozen! Okay, so medyo na ba? Nabubus na yung natin, braces. Okay, question number 3. What place is this?
Hindi.
5, 4, 3, 2, and boards up! It's got Oo, baka itong binays, no? Kamars,
Doctor Strange. Doctor Strange.
No answer, China. And the correct answer is...
Yes! Ay, spelling! Ay, spelling!
Ano ba ito?
Double A.
Sorry, mali siya.
Honest mistake. Sayang. Isa na double A.
Alright, question number 4. What place is this?
Teka, parang Iron Man to eh.
Five, 4, 3, 2, and boards up! No answer. Route 86, Route 66, and no answer. So that's from the movie Cars. And the correct answer is... Naalala mo yung number. Very good.
Jim Road.
What place is this? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boards up! No answer. No answer. No answer. And
Nowhere.
nowhere.
Avengers Infinity War.
Let's land on Oh.
From Coco.
Let's go. Question number 6. Bawe. What place is this?
Subukan ko ulit. Subukan ko ulit. Subukan ko ulit.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and boards up! Sakar. Sakar. No answer. Sakar. And the correct answer is...
Yes!
So, 1 point for Team Eva, Marvel Snap, and Frozen. Okay, question number 7. What place is this?
Oh
May top lane pa.
Ano ba yan? Limited lang ako sa locations.
Bormir.
Nowhere.
Nowhere. No answer. And the correct answer is...
Try lang.
3, 2, 1, and boards up. We have San Francisco, New York City, and New York. May nakakuha ba? San Francisco! Okay, so remind ko lang kayo, no, for today's event, yung ating winner will be 3,000 GC Pero Hello Cafe.
Sige.
Ganahan!
Pamasahe din yan.
As we move to category number 2, it's Marvelous Real.
Sige. Kaya ko yan.
So let me explain. We will be giving the real name and then you have to identify kung sino character.
Okay.
Madali!
Basic!
No, the real name.
Ano yung name?
Real name po. Real name.
Marvel eh.
What you're going to answer is kung ano yung
Superhero name.
Okay, question number 1. Aurora Monroe.
Here.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boards up. Storm. And no answer. And the correct answer is Storm. So 1 point for Marvel Rivals. Marvel not in.
Sige lang.
Question number 2. T'Challa.
Wala na akong sorry. Pero kailangan kayo magkamag.
Parang paupos na rin ako, ma'am.
And boards up. We have Black Panther. Black Panther, and the correct answer is Black Panther. Okay, so everybody got it correct. Natasha Romanoff. Given.
Gigil na ako.
Black Widow. Kilala natin lahat. Black Widow.
Yan.
So 1 point for every Alright, next question.
James Buchanan Barnes or si Bucky Barnes?
James Buchanan Barnes, Bucky Barnes. And boards up! Winter Soldier. Parang nila itong hawak dito And the correct answer is Winter Soldier.
Lugi ako ng first round, isa lang ang tama ko eh.
Okay, question number 5. Carol Danvers.
Pag mabilis ang sulat, ibig sabihin gigil.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and boards up! Captain Marvel, everybody. Captain Marvel. So it is Captain Marvel. Easy round.
The easiest so far.
Team Barton. Team Barton. And boards up. Hawkeye. What? And the correct answer is
Ronin.
Hawkeye.
Sergey Kravitz.
Oh my God.
Sergey Kravitz.
Sino siya?
Sergey Kravitz.
Teka.
Teka
4, lang.
3, 2, 1. Boards up.
I hope tama. Red card dyan.
Answer, and the correct answer is
Nasa pangalan na yung clue actually. Ang pangalan na si Cream and
Feeling change!
okay, last question. Max Eisenhart. Max Eisenhart. 5, 4, 3,
Hindi ko siya alam.
2, and Forza! Forza, and no idea, no idea,
Wala.
no idea, no idea. Eh, sino nga ba? Max Eisenhart. Una sa lahat, 3K at stake ko. Tapos, yung point difference nyo is 1 point. So, the highest score, it's 45 points. So, therefore, the second place got 44 points. So, drum roll. Okay, so congratulations to team. Kinakababa kayo. And it's Team Frozen! Congratulations!
A few moments later.
Yun, resting lang kami after ng event, pauwi na rin. So, yan guys. So, thank you for joining me in this vlog. Na-enjoy nyo yung kung ano-ano mang emosyon yung nakita nyo habang nangyayari yung gabing to. So, guys, check out my socials. Peace out. Adios.